Please subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for more videos. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove background noise from your videos. It's very simple and convenient method for most of the users. And I use Boya By M1 mic to record my voice in almost my videos. And now my voice is much clearer than before. So watch full video for proper guidance. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First, we have to download a software that is Nvidia RTX Voice in our system. As I am currently using this software and you can hear my voice clearly as I am using Boya By M1 mic now. So let's open our browser and just search for Nvidia RTX Voice. Download Nvidia RTX Voice and here in the search list you can see the official site of Nvidia at the top of the list, and I will recommend to download only from the official site. Let's open this site, scroll down a little bit, and in the setup guide, in the first option here the download the app is written. Just click on it to download this software. Here a download pop-up comes, and in the save as option you can specify your path in your system where you want to save this file. I will choose any drive randomly and just click on save. When you click on start download, it will start downloading your software in your specified path. Now I will click on cancel because I have already downloaded this in my system. So let's move on to installation and setup. So here we have downloaded this software now. Just open it, and guys, here you can see Nvidia installer is open. You have to just click on agree and continue. That's it. It will install your software on your system. I will cancel this option because I have already installed in my system as I am using this software currently in my videos. So after installation, open this Nvidia RTX voice, and in input device option you have to select your microphone that you are using to record your voice. I have selected my microphone that I am using to record my voice, and you have to check this option, remove background noise from my microphone, and make sure to set your noise suppression at maximum level. I had set to maximum level as possible. That's it guys. Next move on to next step. In next step you have to open that software that you are using to record your voice and your videos. I am currently using OBS Studio to record my voice and video, and in OBS Studio I will go in file in settings option, and in audio I will choose my microphone. You can see all microphones are disabled, all audio are disabled except one. In one you have to choose your microphone as Nvidia RTX voice only and click to apply, then OK. That's it guys, it's all done. Now you can check your voice. I will show you how my voice was before and how my voice is now after using this software. So I will go in files, settings, and in audio option I will choose my microphone normal that I am using and just click to apply. Now guys, you can hear my voice, it's very noisy as you can hear all background noises in my video. So guys, let's select our microphone as Nvidia RTX voice to disable all background noises in this video. So go to file in settings, in audio option select your microphone as Nvidia RTX voice, apply, OK. And guys, now you can hear my voice clearly as I am using standard mic, not professional mic, and you can also follow these steps to make your voice like a professional without any editing. Just use this software Nvidia RTX voice and select your microphone as Nvidia RTX voice. That's it. So guys, that was the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can share this video to your friends to make them easier for their work. Thank you guys.